Okay, let's look at this strategy. I believe this should, oh yeah. Let's look at this now. This is working. Um, Again, prices are this low. Hmm? We take the low here. We wait for price to enter inside, then we draw our lines. Okay? After we've drawn our line, what is the next thing to do? We wait for, if we get, for instance, like in this place, this bullish candle broke above this resistance here. And most times, this is a pattern that has occurred twice. And let me tell you one thing about trading. By the time you keep seeing these patterns, you can't unsee them. Before this thing turned around, remember that this is S1, S2. Price did bottom, went up, failed to break the bottom, and took out this high, right? Look at the pattern here again. Price did bottom, went up, failed to break the bottom, and came up. Is it not the same thing? Forex is simply what recognizing these patterns. This is why it is called technical analysis. We are not using any fundamental thing. We are not looking at news right now. We are just trading what? Pattern. But remember that I told you, if I say let me start teaching you how to, oh, this is doji, this is gravestone, all those things. To get it, you will not appreciate the why. You only know the what. Now this is the why. If price makes support 1, fails to break the low, makes support 2, fails to break the low, the same thing he did here. I took my buy right here because price has come where? Into this. I would not have taken my buy until it comes inside of, which is exactly what we did here. Remember? Now it has entered inside. What do we do? I've taken my buy. Where would my TP be? When it gets to the top, right? If price manages to come and cross here, I want to close my trade. So I'll be looking at it like hawk. This is where Fibonacci would have helped us to know where to take the trade out, but I prefer us to master this one first before we apply Fibonacci. Now let's play our chart. Let's see what price will do. Okay. It has not taken us out yet. Just tiny little thing, tiny, 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 tiny. Price is struggling, but look at here. It is struggling to go high here, but here it is almost tapping this place. Let's wait and see. Remember, forex is about probability. You won't win all the time. So let's see if price will come to hit here. You see that it has turned. What does this mean? What does this mean? We are going a little advanced now. Price came close to this place, but instead of hitting the overbought, it has come back to oversold. Normally, at this point where price turned, instead of hitting here, I should have closed my position on this red candle. Here, as soon as this turned to go down like this, where you see this crossover, where the red and the green crossed over, which coincides with this point on the chart. This point here, this red candle. Let me draw a vertical line, which coincides with this red candle here. This is where I should have closed some portion of my position. Now we are going from trading to management, which is saying risk management. But now, instead of price to go up, it came down to oversold area. Let's see if it's going to shoot up. If it does not shoot up and it takes us out, we've lost the trade. Let's see. Yeah, if it goes up, okay. Now let's wait. I have this strong conviction that anything can happen. The bullish candles are showing us weakness. It doesn't want to go too high. The bearish candles are showing us weakness. It doesn't want to come too low. So now we are in a micro what range, very small range occurring here. If price breaks above, we come back in profit. If price breaks below, we're out of the trade. So let's see what price is going to do at this moment. Are we in or out? We're out of the trade. No. Yeah. Thank you. We're out of this trade. So for this particular trade, we did not get it. Now, remember what I told you. Trading is a game of probability. We won this one, we won this one, but we've lost this one. This one gave us, let's say, 3 arrow or 4. This one gave us almost 2 arrow. So total is about 6 arrow, right? This one took us 1, so we are down to 5 arrow. So which is still profit, okay? Which is still good. Hmm? Yes, that is the strategy now. That is all you just be doing. That is all you'll be doing. Okay, took us out here. But do you know that at this point, this is where you would have managed your position, close half, like I told you. Close half. You see how this red and the green are struggling. You close another half. But now, let us forget indicator. Let us look at what your head is getting. Let's look at what I taught you before, which goes outside indicator. This is the guy that started this move down, right? So until we go above this guy, we should be looking for what? Who can tell me? Should be looking for what? Thank you. We should be looking for sell, which is why this buy was a wrong buy. Now I'm adding on top of the strategy you already know. Look at this point. This was the guy who started the sell, right? Until we come above this guy, we should be looking for what? This sell worked out, right? Now, if you look at this one, price did like this, came down to tap this support, but failed to break this low. This is what? Support 1, support what? 2. So taking this buy is you taking a buy like a big boy. This buy is a very risky buy. This sell is easy to catch because you are in seller's territory. You take sell in the direction of your overall sell. This one you're taking buy because you know the pattern, which is what? Double bottom. This particular buy, you can trade it using just indicator, but I'm adding another. I'm like the first I told you 2 red candles. Now I told you if it reaches the green candle, which is overbought over, so that is where you should close your trade, right? Now I'm adding another pattern to the setup, which is if you're in a seller's territory and the indicator is and the price is telling you buy, you can say, okay, I don't want to buy. Let me wait for the sell setup. Like in this case, you're in seller's territory, price gave you buy setup, which is here, right? Buy setup, divergence to take buy. You could have taken this buy, which we did, and it ended up in what? Loss. Do you know why it ended up in loss? Even look at here. This is where they call the glitch in the market. This is, you see how price is dancing around here. This is the glitch. This is to tell that there is balance between those who are willing to sell and those who are willing to buy. This place, but this side, which side? Here, this one. Thank you. This is another glitch. This is another glitch. Whenever I see price around this glitch, though you will not know because the price is printing and going, but these are areas where your pattern will not work. But you see these areas where it is smooth up and down. You see this glitch? This is another glitch. It reached middle and turned. This is exactly what happened here. Reach middle and turned. This is a glitch. We want it to just be doing like this, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Immediately it does up, reach middle and turn is a problem. Or it reaches up, instead of coming down, it starts doing like this, is also another what? Problem. Are we communicating? If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Now let's look at this. We will allow the chart to play, right? We will allow market to print for us. These lines will not be here. Again, price is down here. But is there anything for us to do right now? If we take this, excuse me, let's say we take a line from here to this point, is going up, right? On our chart, we take from here, which coincides with that one, to this point. It is straight, isn't it? This one is going up, this one is straight. You could be looking for potential buys now. But this one is hidden divergence, and I don't like hidden divergence. I like the divergence whereby it is opposite each other. Hmm? So let's leave that one. Let's allow price to print for us. Let me take this down a little bit. Down a little bit. 4 seconds. Okay. You see, this has reached the top. If we had taken buy here, remember we were looking for buy because this is going up, but this is straight. If we had taken buy here as it came inside, let's say somewhere around here, though we didn't take it because I don't like that kind of setup. You as a trader, you have to be selecting the setups you like. Okay. Yes, we might still be in the market. Now we took a buy here. Our TP will be what? As soon as price taps here, so we're out of this trade if we are taking this buy. This thing is moving too much. Would have been out of this trade, but we didn't take this particular trade. Let's move forward. This is sweet divergence. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah. Okay. Your question is why didn't we take this particular cell? Now let's ask ourselves this question. Let's do our divergence. From here to here is going up, right? Let's do on the chart. From here to here. Is it not still going up? Is there any divergence? So we did not see this setup. Common sense. Normally, we didn't see this setup because the two set on the chart is going up, on the indicator is going up. So normally we would have been saying, okay, let us be looking for buy. It now fell. So we did not see the setup at all. And I can tell you that this might be news that caused price to drop like this. Okay. Yeah, this is a double top. Yeah, double top. This one here now. This one, this place here, these two red. Okay, that is, yeah, that is another lopsided double top. The one that went up and turned bearish like that, or the one that just, at one point, this candle was, yes, it's because this thing is so, at one point, this candle was green, it now turned down red. If I put it on 10 seconds, let's see how the candle is printing. You see, it has come down now. Oh, so what I want you to do for me as we're going to stop here now before your head will knock. Because I'm sure in your mind are like, oh my goodness, just tell us that we should do assignment now, please. Which one? Yes, yes, yes. I'm going to give you an assignment to do with this. Hmm? Let me suspend this. This particular one. You have a system, right? I'm going to send you this link to